How to fix Xbox two-factor authentication problem. To fix an Xbox two-factor authentication problem, you simply have to log into the Microsoft security page using an alternative verification method or generate an app password for older hardware. To use the alternate verification method, what you can do is simply launch any web browser of your choice on your desktop or phone. From here, tap on this three-dotted menu icon, then access this incognito mode. Now all you have to do is go to the official Microsoft security dashboard by simply tapping on this address bar, then type Microsoft accounts. From here, once you enter the dashboard, when prompted for your 2FA code, simply click show more verification methods or I don't have access to this. Then choose your pre-configured secondary email, recovery phone number or 25-character emergency recovery code to gain entry. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.